Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about how do you find free images in Design Space. Cricut has done a wonderful thing for all of us that are now practicing good social distancing and we're at home more, and you may have a little bit more time on your hands to do some crafting. So they have given us 1,000, yes, 1,000 free images. In addition to the ones that were already in Design Space that were free, they've added 1,000 more images for us to use. And that is super cool of Cricut. Thank you so much, Cricut, for doing that for us. And the other thing is, for those 1,000 images, they're going to swap those out every couple of weeks so that you will have additional free images. So this is just something Cricut's doing to help us out as crafters, and it's also National Craft Month this month, so that's a good thing. Anyway, so let's see, how do you find those free images in Design Space? So as you can see here, I have Design Space pulled up, and you're going to go over to where it says Images. And that's going to come up, and then you're going to see your search bar over here. It says images, categories, cartridges. It says search images if you're looking for something specific. But what you want to do is come over here where it says the word filter. So we're going to click filter, and then underneath ownership, we're going to just pick free. What this is going to do is go into Design Space and search for any images that Cricut has tagged as free. And we can tell that because now it has the word free underneath it right here where the description is. You can still look and see here by clicking the eye on there. You can see what image set it came from, the image number, and the image name if you need that information for something. But all of these images are now free for you to use. Let's just take a quick scroll to see what these images look like as of March the 18th. Lots of variety here, lots of different images. I'm just going to scroll through. So there are lots of different things here. There's phrases, there's layered images, there's things that we can use for vinyl, there's things that we can use for paper crafting, you name it, your iron-on projects to make shirts with. You can just see there's such a big variety here, right? So I can just keep scrolling through here. I'm just going to do that real quick here just to give you an idea of the 1,000+ free images that Design Space has in there from Cricut that we can all use. You can even make some earrings. You can make home decor. You can make, there's a lot of spring projects here, so you might want to make some spring projects. Lots of fun stuff, okay? So once it's in the free category, how do you then search for or filter for something specific you're looking for? All right, I'm just going to scroll back up. So I can go back over here to filter. So I have it selected on free, and then I can also use the type, okay? So I can go in and say, I'm looking for free images that are cards and envelopes. I'm just going to click that. It's going to sort that free list, so it's still free over here. Those are your categories that you've selected. So it's still free, and these are all cards and envelopes now marked as free images in Design Space. So if I wanted to make some cards, look at all these cute cards that are in here. Okay, so you could do that for anything that's in the different categories. There's a lot of these. I'm just briefly showing you guys how to do this. If you're looking for just phrases, you would click off of cards and envelopes, and I could go into phrases. Maybe I'm looking for something to put on a shirt, or I'm looking for something to put on a canvas or something. I can go in and click. All of these are free images that are phrases in Design Space, okay? So that's how this is going to work. Wanted to just give you guys a good idea of all the awesomeness that Cricut is giving us to craft with and how to find it. Let me know in the comments if there's any particular images that you were real excited to see as part of the free ones. I cannot wait to see what you're going to make. Please come join us in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group and post your projects. We want to see what you're making. Thanks so much. I hope you guys stay happy and healthy, and we can all get through this together. Crafting is a great stress relief. I totally know this myself, and I know that it's going to help us also entertain our children. So there's some images in here that would also be great if you've got kiddos at home and you're trying to find little projects for them. There's lots of things you can pick from. All right, until next time, talk to you guys later. I'm going to start looking to see what I can make for free.